So it's been a while since I've done a video on this channel, but I'm gonna try to reinvigorate it. And we're gonna reinvigorate it by talking about some seeds. I've got all native seeds that I'm going to sow, that they're gonna require stratification. So I've already stratified these, in some of them in the fridge, about 30 to 60 days depending on which one they want. Some of them need the stratification, to be able to germinate in the spring. So taking seeds from these packets, done that already, but I'm also going to try germinating them in, or stratifying them in pots outside. I'm in Texas, so we have mildish winters. See how they do over the next December, January. Maybe they'll germinate in March. I can plant them out. I'm also going to direct sow some of these out here in my flower beds, which, if you can get a look at, look really bad right now because it's winter and they don't look so great. So I'm going to run through these real quick, and hopefully I will have a follow-up video in a few months showing germination rates. Okay, the first one is Soapwort Gentian. It's a nice little blue flower. It's a native, more towards the eastern United States, and I got this actually from a little native seed nursery in North Carolina, Wood Thrush Natives, and they don't have seeds on their website at the moment, but they did back in the spring. And if you listen to the Native Plant podcast, they have a great episode with the owner of the podcast, of the shop, and that's how I found out about this company. Most of these seeds actually came from Prairie Moon Nursery, which is in Minnesota. There's a Texas native plant nursery out in Junction. It tends to more be for drier climates. Texas is a humongous state, so we have a ton of different ecozones, and I'm more in towards the Piney Woods, eastern music kind of zone. So I tried to go with what I could at Prairie Moon, finding things that would work for me. We'll see. Golden Alexander's, Zizia aurea. It's also a host to the black swallowtail caterpillar. So if you're planting parsley and dill and that sort of thing, but want a native alternative, try this. I did have success germinating some of these seeds last spring. I have 1 or 2 plants hanging out, but I would like more. Yellow giant hyssop. You can't really see too well in the seed packet, but it's Agastache nepetoides. I have some other Agastache around here that I really like, and so I'd like to expand that. Downy wood mint. This is Blophilia ciliata. Nice purple flowers. We'll see how those go. This is Barefoot Plumnia uvidalia. No photo, but it has big barefoot kind of leaves and these little yellow flowers. Nice woodland plant, and I can't really see here, but I'd like to establish a little area of that back there. I've got elderberry, Sambucus canadensis. We'll see. I tried germinating these once, they did not work. This was a free seed packet. Partridge pea, Chamaecrista fasciculata. I love this. It's actually a really nice plant out. I see it hiking all the time. It's a really nice plant to have. And this one is one of my favorites. I did get to germinate this year. Blue sage, Salvia azurea. I've seen it wild this season. It is amazing, and I grew it in our flower beds this year. I've got a couple plants over there. I've got a couple over here. And you don't need to stratify these, so I'm just going to actually I may throw some out now. I may wait actually till February to sow these, but salvias reseed really well here, and they're fine. Lopseed. This is a neat little kind of, I'd say a diminutive plant. It's not really something gregarious, but I wanted it to kind of take over some of the ground layer here. It's Fremia leptostachya. Small little plant. Oh yeah, this one looks good. No flower, but Verbicina alterniflora wing stem. If you're familiar with frostweed, it's also a Verbicina, but this has little yellow flowers and an interesting stem. The last one is Saxifrage pennsylvanica, swamp saxifrage, and I actually was going to cold stratify these in the fridge, and I even did the towel and everything, and then I I wasn't thinking when I dumped them out, but the seeds are so tiny. And I remembered when I did this back in last spring that they were extremely hard to get off of the paper towel, which I guess if I'd let the paper towel dry, it would have been fine. But when I tried to plant them, it just didn't work. So I decided not to do that. I'm just gonna put these in a pot and let them stratify in nature for the next 2 months and see how that goes. So that's my little native seed haul today, and I hope to do more videos here on YouTube. Now I kind of made it too complicated there for a while, and I was kind of stressing out about it, but YouTube seems to be where the people are going at the moment, so maybe I'll do some more videos. Look for me like once a week at least. Okay, bye.